आपको, हैप्पी बर्थडे आपको। सबसे पहले तो आज का सबसे पहला विश अगर आप कुछ बता सके तो, आज का सबसे पहला विश आपको किसने किया या क्या था, अगर कुछ बता सके आप तो।
सबसे पहले थैंक यू फॉर योर विशेस एंड आई थिंक सबसे पहला विश मुझे मेरी मॉम ने ही किया है।
और कितना सेलिब्रेशन होने वाला है आज के दिन, कुछ
वेल आई थिंक इससे ज़्यादा सेलिब्रेशंस तो मैं और मांग नहीं सकती। पर्सनल सेलिब्रेशन तो कुछ ज़्यादा होंगे नहीं।
कोई ऐसा भी इंसान है जिससे आप हमेशा बच के रहना चाहती हैं? बिकॉज
आई थिंक लोगों को मुझसे बच के रहना चाहिए, मैं किसी से नहीं डरती।
सच आपकी फिल्म आज हमने देखा गाना भी लॉन्च हुआ है, हमने देखा है बहुत प्रमोशन करते हैं आप, ट्रेनों में, बसों में, एयरपोर्ट, दुबई, हर जगह। तो इस बार ये कैसे करने वाले आप इसका प्रमोशन?
ये तो आपको देख के ही पता चलेगा, बट हर बार कुछ नया करने की कोशिश करते हैं मार्केटिंग में, प्रमोशन में। तो आप कुछ नया देखेंगे रिलीज के आसपास, अभी एक 10-15 दिन और बाकी है, तो होपफुली कुछ नया दिखने मिलेगा। थैंक यू।
Ram Gopal Verma sir, here. I have a question for you. Here.
Yeah.
Sir, hi, this is Sandesh from Zoom. I wanted to ask you what made you choose, select Zareen for this particular song?
See, I basically, the original Khala song was very popular and over the years. I wanted someone who can live up to that and probably go far beyond that. And I wanted someone really hot to perform. And I think Zareen is hotter than the sun.
Yeah, sir, here. Sir, this side.
Sir.
Yeah, this side.
Yes,
this
yes,
side.
yeah.
Yeah, hello, hi. I'm Bhavya from Book My Show. So my question from you would be, आप किसको इंडस्ट्री से खल्लास करना चाहेंगे, given an opportunity?
Industry ko ya what?
आप इंडस्ट्री में से किसको खल्लास करना चाहेंगे, given an opportunity? Any person?
I think there might be some police people also here. I won't be able to. I will tell you privately.
Okay, one question to Zareen, if that's what. Yeah, hello, hi Zareen.
Hi.
First of all, happy birthday. The question to you I have is, so recently, like it's all public now that Salman Khan and Ulia have finally made a public declaration of love through their public appearance. So what do you think of that? Like, would that happen soon? Is marriage on?
Well, honestly speaking, I have no idea about what's happening in other people's life because there's so much happening in my life to keep a track of that.
But do you
only
think
it gets.
he'll make a good husband? What do you have to say?
See, I really don't know, and I'm not here to judge. I mean, I'm very happy if things are happening with him and Ulia, but I just wish them all the best. And I think the whole country has been waiting for him to get married. So I think it'll be something to look forward to.
Thank you so
राम
much.
गोपाल
Thank
वर्मा
you.
जी,
Yes,
आपके
please
सामने-
stick to Khalas questions also with Veerapan.
रामू जी, और एक फिल्म का ट्रेलर लॉन्च हुआ जिसका नाम है रमन राघव। अगर आपने उस फिल्म का ट्रेलर देखा हो तो कुछ आपको कैसा लगा?
No,
कुछ
I
बता
didn't see the trailer yet.
Yeah, and specifically, let's stick to Veerapan and Khalas questions also. Somebody had a question here?
Mr. Ram Gopal Verma, it's for you. Has Isha Kobegar seen the song yet? Because she was a item girl for the song. Does Isha Kobegar has seen this song, Khalas?
No, she hasn't seen. I mean, it is not to my knowledge because we just launched it just now.
Okay.
Yeah.
We were here for the song launch of Khalas.
Ram Gopal Verma
Just-
sir, I
Yeah,
have a
so
question
one
for you.
one
For
question
this,
specifically to this movie.
As we can see, there are a lot of, action scenes are very brutal in this movie. We have seen in the trailer. So what challenges did you face from the censor board to, get it cleared, or was there any problem?
I mean, see, we haven't yet gone to the censor board, but the point is the film is eventually an emotional film. And Veerapan is a brutal guy, so obviously the images will be brutal. So to be true to the spirit of Veerapan. But if you watch the overall film in totality, I don't think the brutality will be in the forefront.
So one more question.
Zareen over here, you have replaced Kangana in Divine Lovers. So what do you have to say about that?
Where are you? Oh, okay, there. Well, I honestly have no idea about the whole replacement thing. I had no idea that Kangna was doing the film before me. I am just very happy that I am getting the opportunity to do this film, and yeah, that's about it.
Also, Isha Kobegar had shaken the leg for Khalas in last 14 years back. So now you're performing the same song. So any pressures because that time the song was very hit.
Well, it's been one of my favorite songs, and the way it was told to me, the vision, Ramu sir's vision of this song Okay, she's not even listening anymore, so I don't think I need to reply.
Yeah, thank you so much. Thank you so much once again, Ram Gopal sir. Thank you so much, Sachin. Thank you so much, Zareen.
Yes.
Once again, happy birthday to you. Thank you. Thank you all.
Yes. ये तू रैन